Right. In today's session, we'll see how to create React app or React.js app using Vite. And second one is demo on React navigation bar using React router DOM. Okay. So generally, everyone knows that React.js is nothing but first point I just want to highlight is React.js. It is a library used to develop front end, or simply I can say UI, as a single page application. Single page application is nothing but we call it as SPA. So you're not going to have multiple pages. So there will be one page. Let me take example as index.html with multiple components. So what is component? Component is nothing but part of web page. Example, you can see header component, footer component, body component, search component, etc. There are two types. The first one is functional component, or some people will call it as function also. And second one is class component. Right. So what we'll do is we just need to ensure that you have Node.js in your system, Node.js runtime environment. I just want to highlight one point that if you want to run any Java code in your system, we need to have JRE, Java runtime environment. Like that, if you want to create any React app, we need to have Node.js runtime environment. So for that, we just need to go to Node.js website. I'll be mentioning that point here, Node.js download. Node.js. So this is a website. Otherwise, we'll go to the second one, download Node.js. Otherwise, if I just go to first website, it is asking you to choose. Uh, you just choose the latest one, which is the current one, and operating system. You can choose anything. So this is a website, Node.js download. I'm just putting here. So download and install Node.js before going to proceed with this. I hope most of the students have this software in your system. Otherwise, you update it accordingly. Don't install. And of course, IDE generally people will go with VS Code. So download VS Code also. VS Code. Download. So download VS Code from this website. Right. So these are two softwares we just need. I think for the one is Node.js runtime environment, and next one is VS Code. Right. So after installation of the Node.js, you just open command prompt and just ensure that whether it is node is there, node space -b. So I'm just having version 22. I mean, I just installed like 6 months back. So for you, it is maybe 23, 24 accordingly. Okay. Right. So Node.js is there in my system, and the command to check whether the node version is node space -v to check node version and VS Code. Before going to open VS Code, what I'm just going to do is please create a new folder which is React.js, and open this React.js folder. Go to this command prompt, I mean the address bar, type cmd type cmd code space, code is a command to open VS Code, dot means current directory. Okay. So VS Code will be open like this. A simple step. Otherwise, you guys can go to file and click on open folder. You can choose that option. The very important option we need to do is go to file, choose autosave option. Very important. And then, so let's just go with the first step, which is how to create using Vite. First, we'll create one sample app. Generally, people will use some commands like npm. npm is nothing but node package manager, and npx is nothing but node package execute. Node package manager is used to it is used to install new package, or we can uninstall existing package, or we can update the existing package. This is used to execute the package. For example, let me take an example called as npm space install space package name axios, or npm space install space uninstall space axios. I don't want axios in my React application. Next one is npm space update space axios. If you just mention npm update, all the packages will be updated. If you mention specific package, that package will be updated. And the next one is npm space install space create hyphen react hyphen app. We call it as CRA. So after using this command, then people will create application by using npx space create hyphen react hyphen app name. So, but today I'm going to create React.js demo app or first app using Vite. So I can say what is CRA and what is Vite. Main thing, configuration. Like generally, like if you create a React application, it will take more time to get app is created. So, but if you use Vite, you will see that within less time we can just create the application. And the second one is the performance. Performance also compared to CRA create React app, the Vite is very high. And next one is efficiency. So these are the main parameters, and you can just go ahead with the the CRU also. So both are same, but only related to configuration and performance. There is no change in the code and all. Only the configuration related to configuration, performance, and efficiency wise, Vite is better when compared to CRA, right? So what we'll do is like I'll just go to Control J. So my terminal got opened here. Here, 1 second. npm space create space Vite. So it will ask you the project name like this. The project name is React. What will take like generally people will take React demo app or first app and all. React front end app. React front end app. And we just need to choose the framework. I'm just going with React. And TypeScript or JavaScript. I just want to highlight one point that React.js means the code will be JavaScript code, and the extensions will be either JS or JSX. I'll tell you what is JSX exactly. And the React means TypeScript code. That means JavaScript with type, because in JavaScript we never mention the type. In TypeScript we'll mention the types also. TypeScript code, either TS or TSX. So, sir, what is JSX? JSX is nothing but extension to JavaScript. That means generally you will have a HTML code, right? So you can have JS code also in the same file. HTML code plus JS code. So we are just going to use curly brace notation to write the logic, the main code logic, right? Now, let me just close all these tabs. Let's choose JavaScript. So the project is created. Generally, you can see node underscore modules, right? Generally, in the React application, there is a one folder called as node underscore modules. Node underscore modules is nothing but whenever you install any package, whenever you install any package, the corresponding folder will be created in node underscore modules. So initially, as we didn't install anything, but if you create application using CRA, create React app, you will see node underscore modules, right? And the size also will be nearly like some more than 10 MB and all. But for Vite, that for Vite, only app will be created. Node underscore modules will not be created at the beginning itself. When you start installing the package, then it will be created. So node underscore modules, right? And now I just need to clear the screen. Then let me just check the package.json. Let's see the scripts now. The script is, we have some set of scripts. To run the application, we need to use dev command. Dev is a command to run the script. To create a build folder, build like that remaining and all. So if I just go to execute, how to execute a command in the node npm space run, and the command name is what? Dev. You will get an error as why it is so sorry. The one biggest mistake I've done is I just need to change the directory. So react hyphen println. So no need to type react println and all, use tab, right? So npm space run space dev. So we got one error that Vite is not recognized because Vite is not installed in your application. So there, what is how to install application? A package npm space install space Vite. So I just want to highlight one point. To install all the packages and all, you no need to by heart them. Just go to npm JS website, and here you type which package you want to install, Vite, for example. So let me just click on search. So exact match Vite. So npm space I space Vite or npm space install space Vite. Like that you can use this command. Right? Or npm space install space -g space Vite. -g means it will be installed globally. That means for the future projects also you no need to install Vite package again. But I don't recommend you to go with -g global. Please install packages individually for that application only. Perfect. So what is the command? npm space install space Vite. Now you will see I clearly told that whenever you install any package, the corresponding folder will be created in the node underscore modules. You didn't see node underscore modules here, right? So we are installing the Vite package for the first time. You will see node underscore modules here. Just wait for a moment and ensure that you have a stable internet connection while installing all the packages. So these packages are available in the Node.js packager, a website, node.js.org/package manager. Now you can see node underscore modules. All the remaining things also, you can see Vite package also, and along with the remaining packages. Right, now let me just see npm space run space dev. Npm is a command to execute the any package or any command. Run, npm run, you can write something like I'll just show you one example also so that you'll clarify it with this command. I just want to create a new file called as some sample file out of in the React frontend, that is demo.js. So in the demo.js, I just want to execute write one call called as console.log of React with Vite demo. Okay, so now like I just want to execute like this node space. So I am in React. So node space demo.js is the command. So you got React with Vite demo generally, right? So let me put this demo.js in the like no, in the same package only. So now I'll create one thing called as let me just put at the last script as the last command. So I like KLU my command, and I just want to execute a command. Whenever I just give KLU, the command will be node, which command I need to execute? Whenever I give KLU, node space demo.js. Demo.js is in the same package only. Now see, first node space demo.js, it is working. npm space run space to run the, what is the command? KLU. So we just got React with demo. So like this, we can put some specific command instead of mentioning like that here also. So the by default file is getting executed. So we can see that in the src. So I think it is main.js. So automatically main.js is the by default file in the React with the Vite. So let me clear this screen. Like that, we can put some several commands. Now, so what is the run command to execute the application? Dev. So npm space run space dev. So within seconds we can see the, otherwise in the create react app it will take time to start the development server, right? So now control, click on this link. So open. So npm's local. So the port number for the byte is React with the byte. The port number is 5173 and React with Vite port number is generally React with CRA. The port number is create React app. The port number is 3000. If you start creating multiple terminals, 3001, 3002 like that. So ensure that no other terminals are working here. Some people will open multiple terminals. Don't do that. Okay. 5173 is the by default port number. Right. Now let's just delete the unwanted code we have. So let me just delete all these things. Right. Let me just go to here and I'll just go to this app.jsx. I just want to remove this code which is in div tag. Right. And I don't want any code like this. Just put only div tag. And all unnecessary variables which are just declared and never used just to be deleted or commented or deleted. So I don't want this first one. So let's delete permanently. And let me make comment them because in future I can use that React logo and perfect. I'm still getting some blank kind of thing, I think, due to this app.css. Okay, refresh. Still, like, let's go to main.jsx. I think here index.css is getting working. Perfect. Now it is perfect. Now in the app.js, let's just put h2, h2. Let's take align is equal to center. React with React navigation bar demo. Right. Invalid property align for what is allowed to on, like it is not recommended to use. I'm just okay with that. So style curly brace align or text align align item center. Remove this. Let me just take double quotes, so single quotes here. 1 second. Let's just 1 second. Control T. React style CSS. You can use material UI also accordingly. Let's go with the style curly brace colon. I think align is not there, or just align. What will happen? We just need to use double curly brace. That's the problem. Yeah. All right. Align item. Let's go with align item. Align cell. No. Remove all this part and all single quotes. H3 align star React H3 align center CSS text align. Okay, let's use that directly. Text align. Text align property. Okay, we can use center. Perfect. Nice. Close. Because the normal CSS properties and the React CSS properties are different. Generally, we'll use align. It's perfect. Now let's go ahead with creating some components. In the SRC, I just want you to create, I think my server is still on. Yeah, that's why uh, what we call the project is running. Create a new folder called as navbar, navbar demo or navbar. In the navbar, I just want you to create a new file called as home.jsx. Create jsx, not js. Okay, it is recommend Vite will take JSX files only, not JS files, right? And all the install all the extensions like ES6 and all. So main extensions are ES6, so that you will get ES6 JavaScript extensions. Please install this minimum ES6 version ECMAScript like RFC functional component. As I'm not using, I'm just putting it as a comment. So now let's use this app.js. I think I can just go with h3 home.js. Remove this, remove this. This is h3 and this is home page. Right. Let's go with the remaining things also, like create new file, which is about.jsx. Copy paste this and this is about component, about page. I can show you the other way also, like create new. The one is, for example, login form, login JSX. You guys can create by using constant login is equal to open brace, close brace, arrow mark, curly brace, this kind of thing. And like return open brace, div tag and all. This format also, RFC, I'm using login, login page. And the last one is contact, contact.jsx, control V, contact, contact page, contact page. Right. There are 4 components got created. Perfect. Now I'll do one thing. I'll create one CSS file here, which is new CSS file navbar.css. Hold on. Let's do one thing. I'll create another file called as navbar.jsx, so that I'll just put all the routings here. Let's comment this, ensure that there are no warnings, there are no errors. Otherwise, the build folder will not be created. Right. Navbar. Navbar is fine. Like before going to proceed with this, you guys have to install a package called as npm space install space. I remembered it is React router DOM. You can just type here also, so that React router, for example, let's just search the first one, npm space install space React router DOM. You can give I or you can give install also. I just stop the server and then npm space run space dev refresh. That is right. Now what I'll do is like navigation. I just need to change the spelling. That's okay. Let me close all the tabs. First one, app.js, navigation. Automatically it will be changed. And now let's just go to navbar. You guys, let me remove this navbar. You just need to take the first one as roots. Roots. So I think, yeah, roots. We just need to get the, let me close all. Let me kill this terminal and then I think I installed React Router DOM. I think let's check whether it is added in the dependencies or not. Yeah, it is added. npm space, no, cd space, React application, content, npm space run space. Sometimes if you don't install properly in the directory, it will be installed outside of the React front end app. Okay. Now refresh. Now let's go to navbar.css and here let's put roots. You need to get all these additions like 1 second. I just got router, but I just need to get roots suggestions like roots. Yeah, we are just getting one kind of filter like import roots. npm space router.demo, right? I'll close and I'll open again. Close folder. I'll open folder again. Open recent React.js. Control J. Control J. cd space frontend React app. React frontend app. npm space npm space sorry run space dev. It's just executing and okay. So as we are not getting this suggestions and all, what I'll do is like I stop this and let me just uninstall and do it again. Router down, uninstall. Otherwise, we can import them. What we call, we can just import them manually, but I don't want to do that. So let me just install again. npm space install space React Router down, and then let's run npm space run space the right refresh. Now let's just go ahead with this root. So still I'm not getting all these additions. I'm okay with that. Let's just search. I need roots and I need root also from React router term. Right. Now I'll just go ahead with the roots. Roots contains, you'll not get this problem in your IDE. No, I just imported manually, no problem. Then roots contain the first one is root. Let's go with the root. Root path is equal to, I just want to go to with path is equal to like first one as slash. And I just want to take element. Element, I want to take something like first one is slash means home component. So let's go with the home component. Home component. element is equal to curly brace home component. Let me just check whether home component exported or not. It is exported. The main, yeah, navbar I created. It is in the navbar, right? Now home is not. Let me just import. I think today, like in my system, the components are not getting like you'll get a kind of a suggestion like this. I think home. Yeah, we got it now. Initially, I didn't get that. Thank God. So I'll do it again for the reference purpose. So you just need to take home like this. Perfect. Slash greater than. And the second one is home is done. The second one is we got no need to put slash about. You can take about directly. And the next one is login. And the last one is contact. This one is, let's just type here login, login. Login, export default login is there. It is in the same command. Let's take login slash dot slash login because it is in the same current directory. Dot means current directory. Login. Yeah. Next, this is like about. Let me just type about manually about. So copy, paste about. Next one is contact. No need to no need to do this. I'm just doing manually. Yeah, it is contact. Now, so one point here is like so now I just took an navbar. My roots contains root, individual root. Okay, that is a very important point. And the router or browser router contains roots. Now I'll execute this here. First one is before going to execute, I need to put this navbar in the app component. In the app component, so you please take browser router. Now we are getting suggestions, right? Initially we didn't. Browser router, and I just need to import this navbar right now. So you can take browser router as router also. Then you need to change this browser router to router. That's okay. I'm just going with browser router directly. Then let me just refresh. Okay. So slash means home page. Slash about means about page. Slash login page. And the last one is slash contact page. Perfect. And now about page. And now let's do one thing. Like I just need to put some links here. For that purpose, we need to take link tag, link tag. Link tag is link tag in React. Link tag, link tag or link element, I can say in React is equal to anchor tag in HTML. So first one is a home. I just want to take and copy, paste. The next one is about. The next one is login. The next one is contact. Whatever the routes you defined, I'm just making because I can't individually run the all the uh, routes, right? I just need to give navigation. So two we need to give. So whatever you just specified here and mention here. And the next one is to about. And the next one is to login, and the next one is to contact. 1 second. To contact. Right. Home, about, login, contact. Perfect. Now let's just go with some kind of CSS kind of thing like React Bootstrap CSS for navbars. Think we can take this accordingly. Only for navigation bar I need. This is fine. I think like we need to install Bootstrap overview, like expand. Fine. So let's install this command. Copy. Let me just stop this. Control J. You can use Material UI also. npm space install space React Bootstrap and normal Bootstrap, CSS Bootstrap. Again, run npm space run space dev. I just done a mistake. Don't install outside of this package. Let me delete this. Right. I deleted. Now here, the best option I can do is like open the folder directly in the React front-end app. So you don't need to always do CD space and all. It's the best option actually. Control J. We need to install npm space install space React router DOM. Npm space run space there. Right. Here we have components like import button component, everything and all. I need navbar in the React thing, navbars. Here we have some kind of components which are already inbuilt. I think we can use them in our link tag. Okay. Let's copy them. Let's copy this 4 here in the navbar component. Let me open navbar.js where we have 4 links directly. Navbar, not CSS like this one. Let's include them container nav and all. Okay, as of now it's again 5173. Right. Now here he want me to put the entire code in navbar. Okay, I'll do one thing. So this is a basic code. So now let me just remove this. Okay. Right. Now let me just remove and let me add CSS. Previous one is basic code. You can add normal CSS also by using navbar.css. That's up to you. Now, and then he asked me to take some container. Let's take container. Right. Then there is a one brand href. I don't want that to this one like it is React Vite demo. Right. Demo. If I just want to take any other example like CSS, this one is fine. It's perfect. Nav link home features dark. If I take this directly link, navbar I included in the navbar. We'll go on. We'll do one thing. Navbar CSS, navigation bar CSS. This also okay. Home everything and all. Okay. So I think we can, if I just go with this, but we just need to include all the main CSS, everything and all. Okay, that's fine. Let's just check whether, I think we already installed this navbar part and all, right? If I just do this, what will happen? 1 second. Let me just remove this form tag. I don't want all this tip and all, just remove. Fine. These are not available. We just need to install the separate package. So let's do one thing. I'll go with this link and this navigation bar. You want me to put everything in UL? Okay. Let's just put everything in UL. UL. UL tag. Remove. Remove. Restart. Okay. I mean refresh. Then put every tag in LI. You need to apply for link tag only. It's just got closed here. Right. And now let us all write CSS code in CSS file and let's use this UL. Right. And we just need to include this CSS file here. I'm removing all these things. You can, if you want, you can use, I mean, the Bootstrap, React Bootstrap we just discussed, right? I don't want to go with this. Import /navbar.css. Refresh. So now we just removed dots. Perfect. Now I think we need to go here. Then after removing this, next we removed dots, right? That's why. And then let's go with these steps. First we remove dots. Home, about, login, contact. Okay. They added LA because I just want to highlight one point that even though we just written the link tag here, but the link tag is a tag. I already told in my notepad also clearly. I'll show you by using right click on this inspect element. You will see here a. So if you click on about, the link tag in React.js is equal to a tag in the href. That is very important, right? Now let's just go to CSS file, fixed full height. Let's see any other navigation bar, CSS navigation bar. He asked me to put everything in div tag. Okay. After that, this is fine. When I click on home, I think we can just decrease the width also. Like I just want to take 100%, 10% for example. Fine. Home. Right. And the background color, let's take light. It is already light gray. Let's take light blue. Right. In the navigate, in our, they want us to apply in the vertical, horizontal navbar. Let's go to horizontal navbar. LI display inline. Okay. And we need to change the URL tag also. So the final one is this one. Right. Home, about, login, contact. Perfect. Now the point here is like, if I just want to give which is not there, for example, KLU, which is not there, I'm not getting, because I need to get some page not found kind of error. So let's create a new component called as not found .jsx rfc, and let's just copy this here directly. Not found, not found page, page not found, page not found. Let's just check whether it is working or not. I mean, still I need to give this here after all the routes mention root. If it is slash, execute home component. If it is about, execute about component. If it is login, execute login component. And if it is nothing, that is star. Star means anything, right? Slash greater than element is equal to curly brace. Take not found component slash greater than. Check whether it is imported. Yeah, it is imported. Now we got page not found. So if I give, for example, some random thing, page not found. So let me just put image here. So page not found images, just images. Let's just go with some page not found images. Take a PNG image. I think I can filter PNG images. Let's take PNG only. Page not found PNG. This is fine. Save this image in the uh, like this is fine. Save image. We just got JPEG's image. Let's go to our folder, React.js folder, React frontend app, src folder, navbar. Not found. The page name is what? Not found. The image name. Let's see whether it is there or not. It is there. I think this is not a correct one. I want to go with let's go with Error not found. Page not found. PNG images. This is fine. Best thing. Save image. Oh, we got PNG. Not found. Let me remove the existing JPG one. Delete. Nice. Now let's just go to not found JSX. Let me import this file by using import. I'm just keeping one name, which is not found image from dot slash not found dot png. Let's remove this and not found image or just image, for example. img src is equal to, we just need to use curly brace syntax image. Let's take a kind of break here. Right. If you just want to align everything in center, for example, I just want to align everything in center, then go to app.js. Here, just put style, text align, colon center. In that case, we can just remove this center, right? Yeah, because already everything in center. So home, about, login, contact. If I give anything other than this, for example, registration is not there. So you got 404 page. Perfect. So in this demo, we just talked about the introduction about React.js, and then CRA versus Vite. You can create by using create React app or Vite, and how to create React app, a demo app with the Vite command. Next one is navigation bar demo using React router DOM. And then we included image CSS we talked about, and we talked about image also. Right. So thank you so much for your support.